Current risk remains in effect from 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening through Friday afternoon. High surf warning in effect from 10 a.m. Wednesday to 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. Coastal flood advisory in effect from 3 p.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. What? For the high surf warning, dangerously large breaking waves of 9 to 12 feet expected in the surf zone. For the coastal flood advisory, minor coastal flooding expected with 2 to 3 feet above normally dry ground in the Mobile Bay region and 1 to 2 feet above normally dry ground in the western Florida Panhandle. For the high rip current risk, dangerous rip current expected. Where? In Alabama, Mobile coastal and Baldwin coastal counties. In Florida, Escambia coastal, Santa Rosa coastal and Okaloosa coastal counties. When? For the high surf warning, from 10 a.m. Wednesday to 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. For the coastal flood advisory, from 3 p.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. For the high rip current risk, from 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening through Friday afternoon. Impacts, flooding of lots, parks, and roads with only isolated road closures expected. Breaking waves can sweep people off jetties and docks, and into dangerous seas. Life-threatening swimming conditions and significant beach erosion can be expected. Rip currents can sweep even the best swimmers away from shore into deeper water. If travel is required, allow extra time as some roads may be closed. Do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. Take the net. A wind advisory is in effect.